1974 Ford Ranchero GT here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Approximately 500 miles on the restoration of this vehicle. 400 V8 underneath the hood, and that is the original engine size that this would have came with. Automatic transmission, power steering, power brakes, AC. We've had the AC clutch kick on and off. It has been converted to 134A. We've not had it really blowing cold though, just so you're aware of that. Let's take a look at the front grille, chrome on the bumper, headlights. If you want to check out the still pictures so you can see the underside, interior, engine bay, be able to see the cargo area or bed in the back, still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. It's riding on the Magnum 500 style wheels, BF Goodrich radials. And those are date coded 2023 all the way around. So plenty of life and tread left on those. And you can see this paint has a nice shine to it. Again, approximately 500 miles since it was restored. So the paint is as nice as you would expect. Let's take a look down this passenger side. You can see it's really free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. Kind of the light blue and black highlighted stripe down the center, dark blue interior, split bench seat. We'll get around to the driver's side, start it up, let you hear it run, take a peek underneath the hood, and if you stick around to the very end, Jason's going to take it for a drive, of course, show you how it goes down the road, take you for a virtual ride, if you will. Paint in the bed, finished as nicely as the rest of the car. Chrome in the rear bumper, also in great shape. This is one of those cars, take you local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. Definitely turn some heads, and you don't see as many of these Rancheros around in this body style as you used to. No doubt about that. Once again, all those still pics, uniqueclassiccars.com. Car has had a recent coolant flush. It does come with the owner's manual. There's also the warranty card and tag with it. You'll see that in the still pictures. Brakes are 100% front and rear. Does have a new left rear axle seal. It's turnkey, ready to go. Let's take a look down this driver's side. If you're into Fords or maybe Rancheros in general, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you'll see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Heck, if you just like cars, period, no matter what style or type or brand, year, we get all different ones in, no doubt about that. So go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We'd appreciate it. Go ahead and share any of the cool cars you see too. And as you can see, driver's side really free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches there also. All right, take a look at this interior. So again, blue cloth split bench seat, matching door panels, looks good. Wouldn't be surprised if this is stock interior. You can see the cloth in nice shape. No major rips, tears, or holes. Let's go ahead and fire it up. Just listen to that. 400 underneath the hood. Now, I have had the radio working, AM, FM, stereo in it. Stereo's working fine. All right, how about as far as gauges? Tack over here, that's working. Looks like the amp meter came up. I don't think the clock was. No clock. Oil pressure gauge, that's come up. Temp gauge is a cold start, so I wouldn't expect that to be up. And fuel. Looks like the fuel gauge is working, albeit it's low. Top of the dash, not discolored, cracked, faded, anything like that. No surprises there. Pretty good sounding engine. Good look at the headliner. Door closes nicely. Little rumble coming out of that V8. All right, this is going to have the release inside the car. See if I can get this one one-handed a second. Might be a little tricky. Let's try. There we go. So underside of the hood, of course, nice and clean also. There it is. And this, again, would have been the original engine size that this car would have came with in 74. Not representing it as the original engine, but correct size. Power steering, power brakes, AC. Again, compressor kicks on and off. You can see it's been converted. We've not had it blowing cold though. It's like a newer alternator. Battery disconnect when it's in storage or in between drives. (1974) Ford Ranchero GT. Nice stance in the car too. Stick around, Jason's going to take it for a drive. Otherwise, call us 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt, gas it. Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 1974 Ford Ranchero. The car with the bed from Ford in a nice light blue. Definitely livens up the car, that blue color, and the blue interior as well. The horn is working as it should. Our turn signals are working. Feels like a low mile machine. Steering's nice and tight, responsive throttle, very clean interior. I'm not even seeing a crack in the dash bed, which leads me to believe it might be a low mile machine. This is an automatic on the column, which makes it easy to drive. Our factory stereo is working. They are clock equipped here. I do not see that counting the seconds. Our amp gauge shows that we're charging a little bit above the center of the gauge. The fuel gauge shows 1/8 of a tank. Oil pressure almost in the middle, which would be about 40 to 45 psi. Temperature gauge 1/4 of the way up from cold. Speedometer and tachometer working. Very nice looking gauges as well. All original. The door panel's nice looking. Comfortable seats. I don't know, would you say it's a split bench? It's almost like buckets that are touching each other, but I lean towards calling it a split bench with fold down armrests in the middle. Brakes feel good. When you think of 74, that was the era where the power got reduced a little bit, but this car runs strong, runs well. Take a look at all the pictures of this 1974 Ford Ranchero at uniqueclassiccars.com.